Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore Zoho Connect, the all-in-one platform designed to transform how teams work, communicate, and collaborate. Whether you're part of a small business, a growing startup, or a large enterprise, Zoho Connect brings your people and resources together, boosting productivity, engagement, and a sense of unity. So, what is Zoho Connect? Zoho Connect is your organization's private social network and collaboration platform. It is built to streamline workplace communication, connect employees regardless of location, and make teamwork easy and efficient. What are its core features? So let's break down Zoho Connect's main features. First of all, we have feeds and groups. Feeds keep everyone updated with announcements, discussions, and important company news, all in a social media timeline. So you can see here your company wall, your My Feed, bookmarks, posts that you follow, read later, my schedule posts, mandatory reads, my drafts, my schedule, your team schedules, and under moderation. Groups allow teams, departments, or projects to have their own dedicated spaces. You can make groups public, private, or accessible by request. Groups make sharing files, updates, and collaborating on goals simple and secure. Over here, you'll see that you have a finance team, and you can create more new groups just by entering your group name, the description of your group, and the type of access, if it's going to be private, public, or all hands group. You can then add all of your members. You can create a channel for this group, and you can create a Soho mail group for this group. Once everything is set, you just click create a button, and then your group will be created instantly. So over here as well, you'll be able to view all your My Groups, your public groups, and you can discover more groups if there are any that are available for you. So forums and manuals. Basically, you can use forums for structured discussions, long-form Q&As, and knowledge sharing. Everything is organized and searchable for future reference. And manuals let you build and share documentation guides and handbooks, all accessible in one place. So where do you find the manuals and where do you find the forums? If you just go here into the More section, you'll be able to go into forums as well, in which you'll be able to see the dashboard initially. You can see your recent forum posts, your interested topics, the bookmarks, the posts you follow, your My Schedule posts, your posts, and your drafts. For the manuals, you can just go over here in the manual section, in which you will also be able to see a dashboard, your company manuals that have been handled by your HR department, the feature manuals, your favorites, the ones that you are following, the shared articles that you have done, the scheduled items you have, or any articles for review. Now, we have the file sharing and knowledge hub, in which you will be able to securely store, organize, and share files and resources. Zoho Connect creates a central knowledge hub, making it easy to find important policies, frequent answer FAQs, and common templates. So same thing, on the related list on the left, you'll be able to go to the files section, in which you will be able to find any company files that you have or any group files. Of course, you need to have a group and you need to be part of that group. Once you have enabled the files, then you will be able to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. You can upload any type of file from your cloud storage, and you can keep them organized with ease. Now, we have an integrated chat and messaging. You can send direct messages or chat in real time with your colleagues, either one-on-one or as a group. The chat feature sits at the bottom of your screen, making conversation and quick decisions effortless. Moreover, we have the calendar and events. You can plan your company events, meetings, and reminders with a shared calendar accessible to everyone in your organization. In this part of the calendar or events, you'll be able to see all of your company events, your private events, your Soho calendar events, and even your group events. You'll be able to schedule at any time just by clicking on the day. You can select the event title, and then you can select time, date, and if it's going to be a reminder for an all day, you can select the members of the group, you can select the group, and you can also enter the location where the event is going to be held. You have more options to make it more customized, in which you can enter a description of the event. You can add attachments if needed. From your computer, you can just drag and drop from everywhere. You can drag them from Zoho OneDrive or from your files from your personal computer. You can post all of the events on the feed section, and you can also send email notifications for this event. Now, you can also create polls, surveys, and town halls. You can collect feedback, run employee surveys, or organize virtual town halls. Employees can interact directly with leadership and get their questions answered in live sessions. So you'll over here see the town hall on the related list on the left, in which you have one example here as new client brainstorming session. You can have the ongoing sessions, upcoming sessions, completed sessions, bookmarked questions, and posts that you follow. Furthermore, there is live broadcast and video conferencing. You can stream company events or AMAs, Ask Me Anything, for 2000s or just a few. Right from Connect sessions can be recorded for those who can't attend live. With the integrations like Zoom or Soho meetings, you can schedule and join video meetings without ever leaving the platform. Now, for your personal and company dashboards, you can personalize your dashboard using widgets such as upcoming events, news feeds, or even gamification features to keep users engaged and informed. You'll be able to do this in the home section, in which you will be able to customize your dashboard. By going into the app settings, you can set the gamification. You can also go to the customization, and as well you'll be able to have many other settings available for you. Now, you can also integrate and automate. You can connect seamlessly with other Soho apps like Calendar or Creator, and popular third-party tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, Trello, Lucidchart, and more. You can harness the power of Soho's AI assistant, Sia, to automate tasks and gain insights from your organization data. Lastly, the user management and security. So you can set flexible user permissions, single sign-on, directory sync, detailed analytics, and audit trails help you manage users and ensure the data integrity. Zoho Connect complies with GDPR and HIPAA, prioritizing your data security. Just by going into the settings section, you'll be able to go and find the CF grading assistant, which we just mentioned, and also you can set the uses and controls for each members. For external users, you can disable members. You can also see your pending invites, manage the fields, roles, and permissions. So in roles and permissions, you'll be able to create your new custom role for admin permissions, members, or moderators. So over here, you'll be able to set also the apps and features, enter policies, set notifications, gamification, view some analytics from your users, from feeds, groups, tasks, manuals, forums, and town hall. You can customize the logo and favicon. You can custom your CSS, your custom domain, your email, and email templates. For data administration, you can set the import, the export, the audit logs, and you can also get some support access. So why using Zoho Connect? Because you can transform your internal communication. Zoho Connect keeps everyone informed and aligned, reducing confusion and streamlining workflows. No more endless email threads or lost updates. Everything is in one centralized place. You can boost your engagement and foster culture. Celebrate the wins, recognize peers, and have open discussions and keep employees engaged with interactive features and transparent leadership participation. When people feel heard, morale and retention rise. Also, improve collaboration and productivity. Breaking down silos, connecting remote teams, and making information easy to access means work gets done faster, smarter, and with fewer mistakes. It is also customizable and scalable. From branding teams to custom domains and permissions, Zoho Connect adapts to your needs. As your business grows, the platform grows with you. So how to get started? You just need to sign up, visit the Zoho Connect website, and start a free trial. There's no credit card needed. Set up your network, invite your team, create relevant groups, and set permissions. Integrate the apps, connect other tools you use, Zoho or third party, for a seamless workflow. Onboard your team, share how-tos, create manuals, and encourage participation in feeds, groups, and forums. You can also monitor and improve by using analytics to track engagement and optimize your internal communications. Finally, as a conclusion, Zoho Connect isn't just a tool. It's a platform that puts your people and culture at the heart of your business. From communication and collaboration to employee experience and security, Zoho Connect enables you to build a transparent, productive, and engaged workplace, wherever your team is. Ready to connect your workplace? Discover Zoho Connect today. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on digital workplace tools. Thank you.